Bought this service grinder today. I've just been detailing it, cleaning up all the grit. Very good condition. It's got a new wheel. I've got many new wheels in the box. I've got a whole box of them at home, stored away. Seems that everybody's grinding nowadays. It's the tag, 3 horsepower. Very sturdy machine. It's got a tiny bit of play in the mast or the tower, whatever you want to call it, which I think is just a matter of adjusting the gibs up a little bit. But as in regards of going this way and that way, there's actually zero movement on the dial gauge, which is pretty good. It's got an English magnetic chuck. I know people love their tags. That's the tag there. It's made in Australia. Gus, hey, Gus, hey, hey. That's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later.